Assalamu alaikum all of you. I am Faranaz and today I am going to tell you about romanticism. Before starting romanticism, first of all we will look towards its definition. Romanticism focused on emotions and the inner life of the writer and often used autobiographical material to inform the work or even provide a template for it, unlike traditional literature at the time. It was an international philosophical movement flourished in 18th century and earlier 19th century. It covers the period of past political, social, economic upheaval. Most important aspects of these time are American Revolution, which is in 1716, and French Revolution in 1789. It was a reaction in dramatic change rising industrial revolution. It involves basic three things: imagination, nature, and individual. It was a literary movement that emphasized nature and the importance of emotion and artistic freedom. In many ways, writers of this era were rebelling against the attempt to explain the world and human nature through science and the lens of the Industrial Revolution. In Romanticism, emotion is much more powerful than rational thought. Romanticism basically involves three things: imagination, nature, and individual. These are the basic principles of Romanticism. They focus majorly on individualism. In imagination, sensory imagery, primary vehicle of art, is included. In nature, escapism, healing power, and pathism is included. In individual, intuition, instinct, solitude, emotions, and meditation is involved. Basic attitude of 17th and 18th century was towards the scientific observation of outside world, towards the logic, towards reason, order, traditions, morality, and social hierarchy. But Romanticism majorly focuses on the glorification of nature, awareness and acceptance of emotions, celebration of creativity and imagination, emphasis on aesthetic beauty, theme of solitude, focus on exoticism and history, supernatural elements, vivid sensory depictions. They majorly focus on self. Spontaneity is the basic idea of Romanticism, same as recollection, memory, human consciousness, mysticism, celebration of nature, interest in common man, focus on individuality and spirituality, celebration of isolation, and idealization of women are the basic ideas of Romanticism. Romanticism is a literary movement spanning roughly in 1790 to 1850. The movement was characterized by a celebration of nature and the common man, a focus on individual experience, an idealization of woman, and an embrace of isolation and melancholy. Prominent romantic writers include John Keats, William Wordsworth, P.B. Shelley, and Mary Shelley. All Romantic writers were against already present oppressive social conventions, political regime. They appealed for justice and human freedom, represented optimistic conception of human nature. They were also against a sensual bourgeois social and economic order. Thank you for your patience listening. That's all for today. If you have any query or question regarding Romanticism, you can ask in comment section. Thank you.